Welcome to your LANGUAGECERT SELT Test. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you feel prepared and confident for your test. You should arrive 30 minutes early to ensure you can complete the check-in process with sufficient time for your exam. Friends and family are not permitted inside the centre. Walking into a test centre can feel daunting, but with LANGUAGECERT, you'll find a clear, simple process and friendly staff ready to guide you every step of the way. The check-in process is straightforward and you'll be guided throughout. You'll be called individually for ID verification and security screening. Please remain seated until called. Present a valid photo ID, such as a passport or national ID. All details must match your booking exactly, or you may not be able to take the test today. A passport-style photo of your full face, including ears, will be taken. All personal items, including phones, bags, wallets, jackets, large jewellery and electronic devices, must be stored in your allocated locker. Electronic devices should also be switched off. A full physical security check will be carried out, including checking pockets, glasses, ears, rolling up sleeves or trousers, and using a metal detector wand. This process is important to ensure LANGUAGECERT and UK VI security screening requirements have been met. When it's time to start your test, you'll be escorted to your test workstation, which will be ready for you with all the equipment you need. Staff will help you get settled and check your equipment. You will not be alone in the room, but it's comfortable and calm so you can focus on your own exam. For the 2 skills test, our live online examiner will guide you through a short and friendly interactive conversation. For the 4 skills test, you can take the written and spoken part either on the same day or within 14 days. Each section is clearly guided and timed. You'll complete listening, reading, writing, and then for the speaking part, you'll be joined by a live online examiner. If you need assistance during your test, simply raise your hand and our staff will come over to help you. Once finished, staff will guide you to collect your belongings and sign out. Two skills test preliminary results will be available within 15 minutes of your exam finishing via email, while official results will be ready within 3 working days, and for 4 skills tests, within 5 working days. At LANGUAGECERT, our aim is to make your experience smooth and stress-free.